Hemostasis and laboratory testing. Hemostasis and laboratory test, platelet count, peripheral blood smear, IV bleeding time or PFA 100, prothrombin time, partial thromboplastin time, thrombin time, D-dimer and platelet aggregation. Platelet count. Platelet count test measure the number of platelets in your blood. A lower than normal platelet count is called thrombocytopenia. Peripheral blood smear, a technique used to examine the WBC and RBC and platelet under a microscope. IV bleeding time or PFA 100. The IV method is the most common when the patient arm is positioned at the level of the heart and a blood pressure cuff inflated to 40 mm Hg after cleansing with alcohol. A standardized device is utilized to make a 10 mm long and 1 mm deep incision on the volar forearm using a timer. The blood is blotted twice a minute. Prothrombin time or PT. A prothrombin time test measures how long it takes for a clot to form in a blood sample. An INR or International Normalized Ratio is a type of calculation based on PT test result. Partial thromboplastin time or PTT. The PTT measures the time it takes for blood clot to form. It helps tell if a person have bleeding problem or if the blood does not clot properly. Thrombin time. The thrombin time is the time required for thrombin to convert fibrinogen to an insoluble fibrin clot. D-dimer is a fibrin degradation product, a small protein fragment present in a blood after blood clot is degraded by fibrinolysis. It is named because it contains two D fragments of the fibrin protein joined by cross-link. Platelet aggregation. A platelet aggregation blood test checks how well platelets are part of blood clump together and cause blood to clot. Predominantly assess function of platelet glycoprotein 2B3A receptor. Thank you.